regards to applying your shortwave diathermy, why we're going to apply towel? Because tendency mo sweat mo ngayon siya maningot. Paningot niya, so heat man siya, tendency apply sa heat, ang sweat, itong perspire niya, ma-dry out. So tendency, with regards to shortwave diathermy, grabe kayo siya ma-absorb of fluid or liquid. So ma-accumulate ang imong current towards the fluid or component, partong sweat yan i-produce. So once mo dry out siya, it can cause burn. Okay, so man siya ulit sa dito. So to prevent such na ma-accumulate ang fluid, you have to place a certain material that would absorb the sweat there. So man siya, we have to apply towel. Ano siya na yung towel na i-apply. And then also another reason why we tend to apply towel, so that to prevent na ma-doubt yung electrode. Because if we're going to apply this directly to your patient, tendency is what? Karina yung magbasa. So later on, take note, ang inyong sweat, it's not that your water parat-parat siya. Na tendency nga, ma-doubt ni ang inyong cover sa inyong electrode ka. So na siya, we are going to apply towel. Okay. So here, there are several ways of applying it. Okay, you can have a coplanar technique or perhaps a contraplanar na transverse. So if you want a coplanar, mani siya style. So coplanar nga kita mo diha. Coplanar application would be what? So apply it here and apply it here. By the way, I forgot to mention it. Kaning portion sa electrode mga nani-bulge out, mani siya mo face away from the patient. Kaning walay bulging out, kaning flatten, so mani siya in contact with the patient na tissue back. So, you can apply it in this way. So that is what it calls a coplanar. So, same plane. We don't advise na magdikit yung electrode the farther away, the mas deeper ang penetration. We also can have a contraplanar transverse that way. So if we want a contraplanar, so it should be more uneven heating. So when I say uneven heating means we want to heat up more the medial side than less heat on the lateral side. So how we're going to do that? Okay, there's one way of doing that. Okay, one way is if you want. So one way is by changing the size of the electrode. Uneven heating. So so on that side sa medial, mas smaller ang size niya. This sa lateral, mas larger. So therefore, mas heat up ang medial. That's one way. Another way of heating up the medial side is by reducing the gap or the space between the electrode to the patient's tissue. So what you're going to do is, mas lesser niya ang distance here sa medial, mas greater ang distance sa lateral. So in that way, you can also heat up more the medial side. Here. Ano? Here, so far. Okay. So, how are we going to have there a space? So, mani siya akong i-mention a while ago. Kung arms ni siya, itong arm like the microwave, advantage siya, okay? You just can adjust the arm. Hindi mo na adjust on ang arm. Mo na yung distance, di ba? You can place the towel there if ever man. But, na siya distance. Ang naka-disadvantage ani is that in order ma-stabilize mo ang electrode, you have to really need a towel. If ever, let's say, you want to increase the space there. Kung arm pa ni siya, pwede na imo na ibira imong arm na naka-space. But if without the arm, what will you do? You need more to place towel. Bagon yun imong towel, usa ka increase sa imong distance. And then wrap this with a velcro. Okay, kung without the towel, what will happen? Kani siya, di mag-contact sa tissue, tagap na siya. Weird. So, you need the towel. May naka-disadvantage kung wala the arm. Okay. So how you're going to do that? So if ever you want uneven heating, you can apply this way. Okay. So, baga or sa change over. Ano siya? Or you can even have that one. Baga or tiny siya. Then, this one. So, mas lesser na siya. Kaniman more i-heat up nato on this side rather than the lateral.
Pwede lagyan ko, sir.
Ano lagi like towel? Hey there. Kaya. Okay, so you have to sit it niya. Ang wire is na. Fine. There. Fair enough. Yeah. Alright. So same way food, mom. You're going to feel mild, comfortable, warm. Anything beyond this, you can cause for etc. Okay. So turn this on. So you place this first 2 week. So again, the duration is 20 minutes. Okay. So place that 2 week. After that, you try to remove this. Okay, when you say process naman heating, the more farther away siya, the can siya more. So, I'm going to reduce the space that I have.
Sila nag-isa ko.
Ilang? Oo, ano ka na? Okay, so your face is too weak, and then try to search the maximum intensity approach to see if ever weak siya. So try. How you're going to try this one? So just turn this knob when tuning. Sige lang natin mag-turn. Turn na kanyang turn. Saka mo na siya now. Saka, i-turn niya mo. Balik na sa set 0. So ato dyan ka sa portion niya. Maximum. There. Okay. So, listen. So, that's the maximum for weak back. So, you try to apply that for 3 minutes as the patient nakafeel ba siya sa heat or wala. Mild, comfortable, warm. May mga patient, wala. Like, wala. So, what you're going to do is, place this to medium. Observe here, may face na siya. There. Cute sa kaya yung face. Hey. Wait. Okay, if ever di pa rin siya maka-feel ang init, then you just have to place it to strong.
Luto na na sa'yo.
Magyapon. Ay, gamay. Even gamay. Gamay nga hit. Magyapon. Ay, gamay na kayo nga hit.
Sige pa daw, sir.
Very strong, sir.
VS, sir. VS.
Mag-agad man ko siya sa patient tissue. That's the problem there. So, Anisha, if you ask the patient again, ma'am, do you feel any heat? You make sure, pag you yapon, then again, further reduce the layer of towel. Ha. Okay, I think gamay. So, there mo po. So, siya. Na, so, again, one is, if patient can, if every patient, hindi siya maka-feel sa heat, so you have to place that to a greater ng power output. And if di pagyapo siya ka-feel, so reduce the layer of towel. And if ever, if anytime na patient, so what you're going to do is the reverse. So switch it back first to weak, from medium to weak. Then if ever, di gyapon siya initan, if init lang gyapon, then you just have to increase the layer of towel. Okay? So, there. Ayan.
Sa ikutan siya.
Ano eh?
Ay. Loto na. Crispy ba? Crispy. Ano na rin? Sap na sap.